Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Chablee and I've been finding a lot of great, beautiful beauty items that's enhancing my hair and my skin. And it's from this company, ARHGOAT. I'm loving it. I found it. This is amazing, you guys. So I'm gonna apply it on my body and show you guys just how it just nourishes my skin, my hair, and just gives me that glow. So if you're dealing with dry skin or just not finding the right lotions that are organic and healthy, I found it. I got you. So yes, let's open this up. I'm getting so many great things from this company, ARHGOAT. They have this wonderful drama roller that enhanced my edges and stimulated my hair growth and my hair follicles to grow like amazingly fast and quick. And I had another oil that I tried in bar soap that was amazing. And now this, simply wonderful. So I love that the directions are so easy and simple to read, you guys. And this jar is really nice. It has expiration date on the bottom. That's easy to understand. Of course, it doesn't expire to year 2027. You always want to check that just to make for sure. And you just twist it like this. It's 100% natural. Promotes hair growth. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, it's on there hard. Ooh, I didn't know it was gonna be this color. Look at that, how organic it looks. It smells very nutty and creamy. Ooh, yes. I like this a lot, you guys. I am loving this. This is so nice. I always love companies that represent hair growth because I'm always trying to get this hair to grow longer, stronger, and healthier. Even though I'm wearing braids, you guys, I can still massage it around my edges or the areas where my hair is thinning a little bit and I want it a little bit fuller and thicker and longer. I could place this on my scalp. Ooh, it's very nice and creamy. It melts just like butter. It's not like shea butter. It's more like mango butter. If I had to say if it was similar to like any butter, because it's just very melty. This is really, really good, you guys. I am so excited I got my hands on this. This is simply amazing. And really easy. It's always good to moisturize your braids, you guys, because even though, you know, it's braids and you think it's like, oh, it's okay. No, your hair is still in there. Like, you have to moisturize it and still like make for sure it doesn't dry out. So that looks so shiny. I see the difference already. But let me show you guys my hand. Look at that. Rubbing it up just a little bit. I didn't put it on right there, but I put it right there. Just want to show you. Can you see that glow, y'all? She's glowing. Wow, that's amazing. It feels really, really, really good on. And it's no artificial fragrance. So I'm loving that too, that it's all natural. Wow, I love it. So it says it has to be like in room temperature or like refrigerator, you guys. Make sure you just don't have it out in the sun or just chilling in your car and it's gonna get all hot and melty. It still has to stay in that very thick like formula, so it's not just gonna be watery and runny like olive oil or something. Right, so the directions, it says place it on your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it and apply it onto your scalp or to the hair that's thinning for 2 to 3 times a week. But for me, I like to put it on every day because why not? I don't have like a very like flaky scalp. My scalp is very healthy right now at the state that I got it at, but this would help like where the areas that are shown the most, you know, from wearing braids. So like right in here, I'm gonna really apply it on there. Now I feel like my hair is growing. I'm gonna get those inches. When I take these braids out, my hair is gonna be so much longer, you guys. Now I wanna show you what it looks like close up. All right, so it does say massage your scalp for 20 minutes. We're not gonna do it 20 minutes, but we are gonna massage that scalp. Now that I massage the scalp, don't forget to apply just very small amount on your lashes. Yes, your lashes and your eyebrows. Get nice, thicker, fuller, and healthier. Well, I love doing videos like this. If you guys are really into all natural hair tips or things to improve your hair quality, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.